in their own homes. Additionally, with the use of robotics and other technologies, older adults can receive support with daily tasks and activities, leading to a better quality of life. Food security. Technology has also been used to address food security issues, particularly in developing countries. With the use of precision agriculture, biotechnology, and other innovations, farmers can now produce more food with fewer resources, leading to more efficient and sustainable agriculture. Additionally, with the use of blockchain and other technologies, food supply chains can be more transparent and efficient, reducing waste and ensuring that food reaches those in need. Homelessness. Finally, technology has been used to address homelessness, which is a growing issue in many cities around the world. With the use of mobile apps, data analytics, and other technologies, homeless individuals can now more easily access shelter, food, and other resources. Additionally, with the use of 3D printing and other technologies, affordable housing solutions can be rapidly produced and deployed, providing a more sustainable and long-term solution to homelessness. Accessibility. Technology has also been used to improve accessibility for people with disabilities. With the use of assistive technologies such as screen readers, text-to-speech software, and other innovations, people with disabilities can now access digital content and participate in online activities more easily. Additionally, with the use of robotics and other technologies, people with physical disabilities can receive support with daily tasks and activities, leading to a better quality of life. Humanitarian aid. Technology has also been used to improve humanitarian aid efforts, providing new tools and solutions to rapidly respond to crises and provide aid to those in need. With the use of drones, satellite imagery, and other technologies, humanitarian organizations can more quickly and efficiently assess damage and identify areas in need of assistance. Additionally, with the use of mobile apps and other communication technologies, affected communities can more easily communicate with aid organizations and receive updates on the situation. Water and sanitation. Technology has also enabled new solutions to water and sanitation issues, particularly in developing countries. With the use of water filtration systems, desalination plants, and other innovations, people in water-scarce regions can now access clean and safe drinking water. Additionally, with the use of smart toilets and other technologies, sanitation systems can be more efficient and sustainable, reducing the risk of waterborne illnesses and improving public health. Energy poverty. Technology has also been used to address energy poverty, enabling people in low-income communities to access affordable and sustainable energy sources. With the use of solar panels, wind turbines, and other innovations, people in off-grid or remote areas can now access electricity and power their homes and businesses. Additionally, with the use of energy-efficient appliances and other technologies, people can reduce their energy consumption and lower their energy bills, leading to a more sustainable and equitable energy system. Social isolation. Finally, technology has been used to address social isolation, which is a growing issue in many communities around the world. With the use of social media, virtual reality, and other technologies, people can now connect with others and participate in social activities more easily and effectively. Additionally, with the use of robotics and other technologies, people can receive support and companionship, leading to a better quality of life. Conclusion. Mental health stigma. Technology has also enabled new solutions to the stigma surrounding mental health issues. With the use of social media and other communication technologies, people can connect with others who have similar experiences and receive support and advice. Additionally, with the use of mental health apps and other technologies, people can access mental health resources and support anonymously, reducing the fear of stigma and discrimination. Child protection. Technology has also been used to improve child protection efforts, particularly in cases of child abuse and exploitation.